Hi. Today I have a really special book written by an artist, a scientist, and a poet. Her name is Ruth Heller, and the name of the book is The Reason for a Flower. I'm going to try and read this a little bit sideways today because there's so many beautiful pictures, and the author, who's a poet, she did really fun things with the way she wrote her words. Birds and bees, and these, and these sip nectar from the flowers. And as they search for more and more, pollen from the flower before goes to the next one they explore. Some pollen travels in the breeze without the help of birds or bees, and very often makes you sneeze. From an anther on a stamen to a stigma on a style, pollen grains must travel and stay a little while, and then you'll see the reason. These are the little pollen grains. For each flower, even weeds. The reason for a flower is to manufacture seeds. Seeds that have a cover of one kind or another. Some grow inside a juicy fruit, and it's not odd to find them growing in a pod. The largest one's a coconut. Did you know a coconut was a seed? Look at all those different kinds of seeds. I bet you eat some of those. Seeds travel far and wide. Some even like to hitch a ride upon a bike or on a shoe. Squirrels hide them and forget they do. Some have burrs that stick to furs and travel at a gallop. You see that little sticker right there? That's a seed. Seeds can settle anywhere they find water, sun, and air, and then grow roots and stems and leaves. Some seeds grow up to be trees. If you look really close, you can see the seed at the bottom. Do you see? This little seed right there is what grew into this huge oak tree. And look at all the animals. These grow where it's very dry. Aren't they beautiful? and these grow where it's wet. These may not look like flowers, but they're the most important yet. Rice and barley, corn and wheat are cereals we need to eat. Millet and bamboo are a treat for animals who don't like meat. They are called herbivorous. All of these animals eat seeds or grains, no meat. Would you believe these plants eat meat? And they are called carnivorous. The largest flower ever found grows in the jungle near the ground, a parasite clinging tight to roots of trees that feed it. It's 3 feet wide, or maybe 4. It weighs 15 pounds and sometimes more, and has a nasty odor. Rafflesia is its name. But here's a flower that owes its fame to smelling very sweet, and scientists agree that magnolias seem to be a prehistoric family. That means they might have been alive back when dinosaurs are alive. All flowers are angiosperm. That's an ancient Grecian term. Here's just a very few products made from them for you. Straw, paper, wood, candy, coffee, tea, cotton, popcorn, chocolate, bread, pasta, perfume, cork, medicine, rope, and rubber. Flowers, plants that have no flowers are fascinating too. So there's a plant, a mushroom that never makes any flowers. This one has become a plum. So that was the book called The Reason for a Flower. I really like looking at flowers out in the world and in my yard and in other people's yards, and I'm wondering if you've noticed any flowers in your area. Make a picture of them. See if you could see their seeds or their pollen. The reason for a flower. Have a nice day.